this place. This is the Braddock boat ramp. And holy hell, this thing. I don't know what kind of boat you can launch in this thing. This is right next to the Edgar Thompson mill, which is right over this hill right here. It's Andrew Carnegie's first steel mill that he built back in the 18 something or another's. I think it was in the 70s or maybe even before that. I don't know, something like that. Wow. Whew. Now, if you was to see this area on the satellite, it is nothing but brown. But there is a reason to come here, which I'm not doing it today because I'm just doing some recon. Right there, right across the river from the Edgar Thompson works, is Kennywood Park. So I could probably launch from here and go get a shot at Kennywood, but there is so much interference over here, man. All this steel and all of this, everything. Let me walk out onto this big slab of freaking concrete. I don't know what the hell this thing is. There's something in the water right there. It looks like a car seat. Yikes. Oh, I bet you, I'm surprised those ducks are swimming around. I'm surprised their flippers haven't been ate off by the acid in this water. I guess you could get used to anything after a while, huh? No dumping. Then there's some locks down there too. Wow, this might be a hard area to get off from. I don't know, man. I don't know. No. Let me walk down this way a little here. Ugh. I would come out, I have the quadcopter in my car right now, and I would do it right now. Except that there's too much glare up there for this. There's too much glare going on right now. Here, have a Budweiser. Holy cow. There's all the ducks all swimming away. Ugh. I guess this must be low tide or something. I didn't know the rivers had tides, to be honest with you. Yeah, there's that glare of that sun. It's just too much for me to deal with right now. But there's Kennywood right there. So, yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to come over here. I wonder how far I could get, how close I could get by just walking down over here. I think the locks and all that are right down there. But this is pretty, ugh. It's pretty mushy over here. boy. And they got a little picnic table over here and a couple of picnic tables and a planter. It says it's under 24-hour video surveillance, but I don't see no cameras. Wow, this place. Yep, that mill's still going gangbusters, man, after 100 and something years. Even more so now. This is Christmas Day, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and it's going full steam ahead.